All right, gents. First question for Chuck Crosby at the Crosby Law Office. Hannah had an agreement with the owner of a home she is renting, and the agreement apparently was after 3 years of renting, she could buy the home for $250,000. The communication was done both verbally, basically as a handshake, and by text. Now the owner of the home is saying that Hannah's going to have to pay $300,000 if she wants to buy the home. And so now Hannah's wondering in this email she sent to us at bob@louisville.com, if she takes the owner to court, will the texts be good enough to prove that she had an agreement to buy for $250,000? Chuck Crosby.
Now, I know with some realtors, texting and whatnot is to be, it can be accepted. But in a case like this, I think it's a straight up statute of frauds question. Has to be in writing, has to have all of the terms and then signed by all parties to be bound. I don't know how you actually get there with a text. Hugs and handshakes with real estate just don't work.
And yet, we are told by our broker and peers and commission that keep all text because it could help you to verify.
It can help. There's help. The question is, did I send you the text or did my wife, who knows my password and got in there as well? Also, you're still getting a signed contract. Right?
Yeah.
The other items are kind of to explain those items. They're what we call in the legal world parole evidence. Can you use it? Well, in the case of fraud, yeah.
Yep, they make good points, which it should be also an alert to all agents who are listening to our show. You take the texts if you have them, but getting it in writing with signatures is also probably the best thing to do, right?
Yeah, short pencil's better than a long memory any day of the week. Yeah. How are you going to prove it? Okay.
Yep, those Chuckisms. We should write a book on the Chuck. Don't you
think? Should.
I know. Our favorite is the radiator nacho.
Some friends of mine and I went and spent the night at Waverly Hills.
Yeah.
Doing all the crazy ghost stuff and whatnot. And there was one room where there was this radiator, and it clearly had lead-based paint, and they were all, in triangular chips, just like that. It was radiator nachos. So I offered some to all my guests.
Very good. And did you find any ghosts, more important?
No.
Okay.
Even the dead don't like to hang out with lawyers.
All right. If you're an attorney,
he's on the roll today.
Yeah, he
had
really
a big
is.
Thanksgiving.
If you're an attorney and you take exception with what Chuck just said, you can give him a call. I'll give you his phone number a little later.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, do not give us a call on that. If you want to see what folks are saying about us, because we're really proud, I have to tell you, of our reviews, go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com and read our reviews.